It's Monday, November 4th, 2024. It's 8:04 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. STAF breaking through the $3 mark again. High of day is 322, third highest gainer, up 75%. Recently coming back to life after just a downward fall and tracking well below VWAP. But is starting to get a second wind. Needs to get pretty close or break through this high of day of 322 to prove itself. I would probably do 60 shares if I were to try this thing later. Acts like it wants to go. I'll keep an eye on it and I'll return. Got an order in. I'm in on STAF at 318 with 60 shares. We'll see if this upward movement can continue on. Profit and loss is down here. See if I can just get a little bit of this. There we go. And I am out. Let's go take a look at this. All right, a quick $20 bill on that trade, $20.39. That was an even 9% gain. I get in this kind of late. It was about 11 a.m. I was only in it 35 seconds to pull a quick 20 out of the market. So I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's hit this thing tomorrow morning.